Hi there, and welcome to the video on how to pay an outstanding balance from your account. Let's get started. Head into your account and select Billing. If you have shopped with multiple stores, then you will have to choose which one you wish to pay the balance for from this drop-down list. If you don't see the option to make payment here, that means the organization does not allow their clients to pay their outstanding balances online. In this case, you can contact the organization to make the payment. You should now see your balance on screen, so click on Make Payment. Choose the invoice or invoices you wish to pay and the amount that you would like to pay towards them. You can then select a payment method from the wallet or add a new method from here. Once we've got everything filled out, click on Make Payment. And there you have it, all paid up and good to go. See you next time.